Before buying an electric turbocharger, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Minix 66W Turbocharger. First up is the Minix 66W Turbo 3-port gone wall charger. Priced at $29.90, this little powerhouse caught my eye with its sleek design and fast charging capabilities. If you want to charge multiple devices quickly without the bulk, this is worth a serious look. This charger uses gallium nitride technology, which means it delivers ultra-fast charging speeds while being smaller than traditional chargers. With 66W of power, it can charge everything from your MacBook to your iPhone 16 simultaneously. That's a game changer for anyone juggling devices. It's also travel-friendly, supporting worldwide voltages and includes adapters for various plug types, making it perfect for those on the go. The built-in protections against overcurrent and short circuits ensure that your devices stay safe while charging. Now, some people complained about its slightly heavier weight compared to other compact chargers. Here's the thing though, the added weight means more power and safety features, which is a trade-off I'm willing to take for reliability. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent traveler or have multiple devices. Skip this one if you only need a charger for a single device and want something ultra lightweight. For $29.90, it's a solid investment for fast charging. Now, if the Minix charger's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Motorola Turbo Power 68W Charger. Next up is the Motorola Turbo Power 68W USB-C wall charger, retailing for $43.99. This caught my attention with its impressive 68W output. If you're looking for the fastest charging option for your Motorola devices, this is definitely worth considering. What's special about this charger? It comes with a 6.5 amp cable that allows for rapid charging, specifically designed for Motorola devices like the Razr and Edge. It uses GaN technology, which means you don't sacrifice size for power. It's compact yet delivers serious energy. Plus, it's designed to handle power-hungry devices easily, so you won't be waiting around for your phone to charge. The reviews show it has a 4.8-star rating from over 516 users, indicating high satisfaction. Some users mentioned that the price is a bit steep compared to other chargers. But here's the thing. If you own Motorola products, the speed and efficiency far outweigh the price. This is perfect for you if you're a Motorola user who values quick charging. Skip this one if you're looking for a universal charger from multiple brands. For $43.99, you get top-tier performance that's worth every penny. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need versatility. Product number 3, Evidence Level 1 and 2 EV Charger. Now, let's talk about the Evidence Level 1 and 2 EV Charger, priced at $119.99. If you're an EV owner looking for a reliable charger at home, this one is definitely on your radar. This charger supports both Level 1 and Level 2 charging, making it compatible with a wide range of electric vehicles. The 25-foot cable gives you the flexibility to charge from various locations, whether in your garage or outside. It's designed to work with standard 120V and 240V outlets, providing up to 12 miles of range per hour at 240V. That's huge if you're charging overnight. Plus, it's ETL listed, meaning it meets safety standards. The LED display keeps you informed about the charging status, adding an extra layer of convenience. Some users reported that it can be a bit slow on Level 1 charging. But if you have access to a 240V outlet, the Level 2 charging speeds make this a non-issue for most users. This is perfect for you if you're looking for flexibility in charging options for your electric vehicle. Skip this if you need something portable for travel, as this is more suited for home use. At $119.99, it's a solid investment for EV owners. Now, if you're not an EV owner but still want portable charging solutions, the next product is for you. Product number 4, Portable Handheld Turbo Fan. Next on our list is the Portable Handheld Turbo Fan from Bearwind, priced at $21.99. This little gadget caught my eye with its promise of high-speed cooling on the go. If you want a compact solution to beat the heat, this is definitely worth a look. This fan uses a 4th-gen airflow system and has 7 blades that create a powerful breeze of up to 9 meters per second. That's 3 times stronger than ordinary handheld fans. It features 5 adjustable speeds to match your comfort level, whether you're at a concert or lounging at the beach. Plus, its rechargeable battery lasts up to 12 hours, which is fantastic for all-day outings. It's also lightweight and foldable, making it easy to carry around. Now, some users pointed out that it can get a bit noisy on the highest setting. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for strong airflow, some noise is expected, and I personally don't mind it during outdoor activities. This is perfect for you if you're often outside during hot weather or need a personal fan. Skip this if you want something quieter for indoor use. At $21.99, it's an affordable and effective choice for cooling off. Finally, let's wrap up with a charger that's ideal for electric scooters. Product number 5, VHBW42V Electric Scooter Charger. Last but not least, we have the VHBW42V2A Electric Scooter Charger, priced at $25.99. If you own a Hover One electric scooter, this charger is a must-have. This charger is designed specifically for 36V battery systems, making it highly compatible with various Hover One models. With a 5.5mm DC round plug, it ensures stable and reliable charging, crucial for maintaining your scooter's performance. It includes smart protections to prevent overvoltage and overheating, ensuring a safe charging experience. The 9.8-foot power cord gives you room to maneuver while charging indoors. However, some users mentioned that it's not compatible with all Hover One models, particularly those requiring 29.4V chargers. Here's the thing. As long as you check compatibility before buying, this isn't a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you own a compatible Hover One scooter and need a reliable charger. Skip this if you have a different brand or model. At $25.99, it's a great value for keeping your scooter charged and ready to go. So, to wrap it up, we've seen the Minix 66W turbocharger for versatility, the Motorola Turbo Power 68W for speed, the Evidence EV charger for electric vehicle owners, the Bearwind handheld turbo fan for personal cooling, and the VHBW electric scooter charger for scooter enthusiasts. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, so choose wisely.